Taylor Development is an integrated general contractor, complete with a site development division which includes a strong concrete and underground team. In this video, we'll see how Taylor Development succeeds in building a team of contractors who work together in the construction of a restaurant. By using the latest tools and technology, Taylor Development builds the highest quality restaurants on the market today.
We are using the Spectra digital laser today to attain a critical shot on a drainage feature in our parking lot. The digital laser gives a mean sea level elevation at any certain point.
In building a restaurant or any project, a key to that project being successful is a good concrete contractor. And today I'm with Tyler, who is the manager supervisor with TripTech Construction out of Roseburg, Oregon.
I think that since I got up here that very first day just to come up and check on the job, you know, our communication has been really well. We've always been straightforward with each other, talked about where the job needed to be and where we were going with it every day. And you've been a lot of help as far as plans, prints, questions, loaning us your equipment just to help move materials around. It's been a lot of good help. I would not hesitate one bit to work with Mark again. Absolutely.
Thank you, Tyler.
Hey,
really appreciate it.
Thank you.
In building a quick service restaurant, one of the more important aspects of it is the finishing touches. To make that restaurant look good, you need to do a good job on the polished metals and the finishes, which is your storefront and what the customer sees as he drives into your restaurant. I seeked out constant maintenance out of Springfield, Oregon.
First off, we really appreciated working with Taylor Development. The crew here has been very easygoing. When anything comes up and we need anything on hand for the job site, they've more than accommodated us getting what we need to get our job done and making sure we have the availability and work site to work with.
More than pleased with the safety, the production, and I can really tell that you guys know your business. And I really would look forward to working with you guys in the future. Hope you feel the same way.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much. We appreciate the opportunity.
Thank you very much, Josh. Budwin of Budwin's Custom Shop, and I particularly enjoyed the relationship with Budwin because he was professional. He has over 35 years experience in building coolers and a refrigeration technician, and working with Budwin, it was just the utmost of a positive experience.
I felt exactly the same. I was very impressed with your operation, and everything went really smooth. Extremely safe and extremely helpful. So.
Well, that's great. Well, I really appreciated working with Budwin, and I look forward to working with the next job with you.
Absolutely.
Thank you very much.
Yep.
When the words "build together" come to mind, team concept is the main focus of that. I'm here with Blake Calvert today, and I can't think of a better team player. Blake has to have a contractor that will provide and give him a space to work, and will also carry on the team concept. It goes both ways, and I'd like to think that Blake and me work really well together, and I hope you feel the same way.
Agreed. Definitely agreed. These projects take a lot of coordination. You know, a lot of hands are on deck on this thing. It's nice to keep an open line of communication with each other like we have and go over all the details, and I really appreciate your attention to detail, and I think your workmanship speaks for itself. It looks great. One of the cleanest job sites I've been on. Those quick service industries, QSRs take a lot of coordination, like I said, so it's good to have a good team together in place to build the future ones.
Hi, I'm with Cameron Burke, the owner and the manager of the Creswell Dairy Queen here in Creswell. Cameron, we just spent the last 5 months here on this project, and just like kind of know your feelings about the quality and the overall effort that you felt like our crew put in, and what do you think about the finishes and the overall product?
Yeah, you know, we're really pleased with everything that's gone on here. The finished work all looks great. The foundation work was great. Everything is just really solid. Everybody was very accommodating, and there was a lot of good communication. And the fact that even though everything is meant to be built to Dairy Queen specifications, that it just really kind of went above and beyond while meeting their criteria at the same time. So everybody is very impressed with the finished product.
Yeah, if you don't mind me saying, what Cameron's talking about is some of the pass-throughs in the doors had stainless put on them. Some of the colored concrete is not a cost item, but it's a quality and looks item. And I always feel as a contractor, if you can add that little bit of extra touch for a few $100s here and there, it really does add to the overall.
Yeah, there are a lot of very subtle details that just looked very good and thoughtful. Things that I never would have thought about until I'd actually seen it and understand the value in it. So yeah, there's been a lot of stuff like that.
Well, I guess we can say come to Creswell Dairy Queen. It's
Yeah,
open now here. It will be
absolutely.
shortly. And thanks a lot, Cameron.
you.
It's been a good project. Thank you.
Yeah.
In the preceding video, you've seen many different shots of construction activities taking place. And the reason we produced this video was to show you, our potential customer, that we feel like we add the extra detail, the work effort into each and every project, but really feel like we're highly skilled within the quick service restaurant business. I recognize more than most that you have a choice of who you choose for your next restaurant. And I'm just so hopeful that showing some of the subcontractors, the team members that I choose, that you feel comfortable that we will make it happen, so to speak, that you get the kind of project that is well organized and well run to where you, our customer, has little or no problems and becomes a trouble-free project for you. We hope you do call on Taylor Development Corporation for your next restaurant project. Thank you very much.